Hey, this is Joey Brasler from Guitar Center. Today I'm going to show you the 2016 Gibson USA Les Paul Studio T. For 2016, Gibson launches two distinct electric guitar lines at the same time. The traditional, or T line, which features vintage-style tuners, necks, nuts, and bridges, and the high-performance line, which features Gibson's latest and greatest upgrades. This 2016 Les Paul Studio T features a modern weight-relieved mahogany body with a carved maple top all wrapped up in a nitrocellulose lacquer finish. It has a 24 3/4 inch scale traditional spec mahogany set neck with a 12-inch radius rosewood fingerboard and 22 medium jumbo frets. The vintage-style Graphtec nut produces great sustain and helps prevent string binding even with heavy bending. It has a chrome tune-o-matic bridge and a stop bar tailpiece, and classic green key tuning machines. You got Gibson's 490R in the neck position, which is very similar to Gibson's classic 57 with Alnico tune magnets, but with a little more upper mid for clarity. And you've got a 498T humbucker in the bridge position, which uses Alnico 5 magnets and a few extra windings to drive your amp a little bit harder. This Les Paul Studio has the standard Les Paul control layout, 2 volumes and 2 tones, and the volume knobs use push-pull pots to kick on coil splits for great single coil sounds. This 2016 Les Paul Studio is finished in wine red. A whole bunch of other finishes are available. Play the Gibson USA 2016 Les Paul Studio at a Guitar Center store near you and check it out at guitarcenter.com.